Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Temu app. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. Now guys, with that said, once you are in Temu, just simply select a product and add it into your cart. So now once you have added it into your cart, just simply go to your cart. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and check out over here down below. So guys, from here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here payment methods. And as you can see, you will have here Klarna. And as you can see down below, you will have a $6 for the first installment by just simply paying with Klarna. So now guys, just simply tap on a first installment, pay with Klarna over here, and it will process your payment. And after that guys, just simply sign in into your account or just simply provide your mobile number into your Klarna. And after that, just simply provide the necessary information in order for you to pay with Klarna. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya!